on the scapula. Do you guys remember how we said to determine which side was ventral and which side was dorsal on the scapula? Did I tell you guys that? Or?
Something about handlebars.
I didn't tell you.
Handlebars?
Oh, yeah, Harley. Yeah, Harley. It's a Harley. If you're standing behind somebody, you can ride a Harley. So you got handlebars on either side. So you know that the wing goes out that way. So you know that this one is the
Left.
left.
That's on video. Huh?
Okay. You're finally riding a Harley now. Now, if you're standing behind somebody looking at their back, that's what you see, right? Okay? The handlebars, those are called the spine of the scapula. Okay? There is a fossa. Fossa's a what? Depression. There's a depression right above the spine of the fossa of the scapula. That's called the supraspinous fossa. There's one just directly below it. That's called the infraspinous fossa. Okay. There is a fossa on the interior side that it lies under the scapula, so it's called the subscapular fossa. Okay. He wants you to know the borders, and if you know which way it sits, then you know which border you're looking at. Superior, medial, and lateral, right? You also have angles. You have a superior angle, and you have an inferior angle. Okay? We did subscapular fossa, supraspinous fossa, subscapular, supraspinous, infraspinous, the acromion process. Acromion means what? Shoulder. So it is the one that you can feel jutting out at the back of your shoulder there. That is the acromion process of the scapula. Okay? And if you look at it directly behind that, excuse me, there is another process there. That one is called the coracoid process. And it means something, but I honestly can't remember right now what it means. So I'll look it up for next time. But just remember, the part that you can feel in your shoulder is the acromion process. The one that's more interior is the coracoid process. The spine, we said, was here. This little cavity, this little cavity here, it articulates with the humerus. That is called the glenoid fossa. The glenoid cavity. Okay? There is a little lump, a little process at the top of that. And because it's above the glenoid cavity, it's called the supraglenoid tubercle. There's one at the bottom, and it's less auspicious, but it's still there. You can feel it. It's called the infraglenoid tubercle.
You guys should do this test, like and then the scapula.
It's a lot of information.
It would be easier if the test said, where is this? And you could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it's hard to memorize that many weird words.
It is normal.
if you can get the terminology down, like remember the fossils depression, and if we put a dot there and say, what is that depression? You're gonna say, well, depression's a fossa, so it's something fossa, and it's
So can we
another
get my
sign.
point, we put